In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create wave background in Figma with the Bend tool. First, open your design. Make sure you are working inside the frame or artboard where you want the background to live. It helps to zoom out slightly so you can see the full width of the frame and plan how far the wave should travel across your layout. Next, draw the base structure. Select the pen tool and create either a straight line or a quick zigzag that stretches from one side of your frame to the other. If you want a perfectly straight start, hold Shift as you click your first and second points. Keep it simple here. You just need a clean line that spans the width. Placing the endpoints just beyond the edges of your frame can help the wave feel continuous without awkward cutoffs. Now activate the Bend tool. Double-click your line to enter vector edit mode. Then select the Bend tool from the top toolbar, or use the shortcut available on your system. You'll notice your path is ready to flex. The Bend tool lets you shape fluid curves without juggling a bunch of handles. Making it perfect for organic waveforms, create the curves by clicking and dragging along the line segments. Start with broad, gentle arcs to define the overall rhythm. Then refine the shape by dragging in between those points to smooth any sharp angles. Pull up to create peaks, pull down for troughs, and adjust the spacing for tighter or looser waves. If a section looks uneven, simply drag again to rebalance it. It helps to zoom out occasionally and check that the motion of the wave feels consistent across the frame. With the shape in place, it's time to customize. Add a fill color to the shape and remove the stroke if necessary for a clean, graphic look. Choose a solid color for simplicity, or try a subtle gradient to add depth. If you don't see the fill, make sure your path forms a closed shape so the fill can display. Adjust opacity to soften the background and let foreground content stand out. Because this is vector, you can scale the wave without losing sharpness, and you can always return to the Bend tool to tweak the flow later. That's it. Thanks for watching.